Hey everyone, today we are diving into the exciting realm of digital marketing, and I've got a comprehensive how to guide for you. Whether you are a seasoned marketer or just starting out, we will be exploring the ins and outs of social media, paid advertising, SEO, email marketing, and web development. If you're ready to master the digital landscape and boost your online presence, you are in the right place. Do not forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest insights. Let's jump right in. Exploring key marketing areas. In our journey of discovering your niche, we are diving into the exciting world of key marketing areas. Social media marketing, or SMM, is an expansive and ever-evolving domain that beckons us to explore its intricate facets. Today, let us embark on a journey through the dynamic landscape of running accounts on various platforms, such as Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, Snapchat, and Twitter. These platforms, each with its distinct user base and communication style, present a myriad of opportunities for marketers to engage with their audience. Delving into the realm of SMM involves more than just creating accounts. It is about understanding the pulse of each platform. Instagram, with its visually driven appeal, demands captivating imagery and compelling narratives. Facebook, as a multifaceted platform, thrives on community building and diverse content sharing. TikTok, the short-form video giant, demands creativity within concise time frames, while Snapchat thrives on the ephemeral nature of content. Twitter, with its rapid-fire updates, necessitates concise and engaging messaging. As we traverse the diverse terrain of social media, we will unravel the art of content creation, exploring not only what captivates the audience visually, but also what resonates with them emotionally. Engagement strategies will become our compass, guiding us through the intricacies of fostering meaningful connection in a crowded digital space. It is crucial to recognize that social media is not a one-size-fits-all landscape. Mastering it requires a nuanced understanding of the unique characteristics and preferences of each platform. Tailoring your approach to align with the specific dynamics of Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, Snapchat, and Twitter will not only amplify your brand's voice but also enhance your ability to connect authentically with your target audience. So, let us navigate this dynamic terrain together, unraveling the threads of social media intricacies to craft a strategy that not only thrives but also stands out in this ever-evolving digital ecosystem. Paid advertising. Venturing into the expansive realm of paid advertising opens the door to a multifaceted landscape where strategic prowess is paramount. Today, let us immerse ourselves in the intricacies of managing advertisements on a diverse array of platforms, including the ever-present Google and Facebook, the visual powerhouses, YouTube, TikTok, and Snapchat. These platforms, each with its unique audience and advertising dynamics, present an array of opportunities for marketers to reach their target demographics. Paid advertising isn't just about placing ads. It is about understanding the intricate dance of ad targeting, budget allocation, and optimization for maximum return on investment, or ROI. As we navigate through this landscape, we will unravel the complexities of honing in on the right audience, ensuring that your advertisements resonate with the intended demographic and drive engagement. Budgeting, a crucial aspect of any successful advertising campaign, demands a judicious approach. We will delve into the art of allocating resources effectively, striking a balance between reaching a wide audience and maximizing the impact within your specified parameters. Optimizing campaigns for peak performance will be our focus, ensuring that every advertising dollar spent yields the highest possible returns. Paid advertising stands as a potent tool for driving targeted traffic and conversions, but unlocking its full potential requires more than just financial investment. It demands a nuanced and strategic approach, one that involves understanding the ever-changing algorithms of platforms, staying abreast of industry trends, and crafting compelling ad creatives that capture attention and drive action. In this exploration of paid advertising, we recognize the success lies not just in the visibility of your ads, but in the effectiveness of your strategy. It is about making data-informed decisions, constantly refining your approach based on performance analytics and staying adaptive in an ever-evolving digital landscape. So, join me on this deep dive into the realm of paid advertising. Together, we will uncover the intricacies, refine our strategies, and harness the power of these advertising platforms to not only drive traffic, but to strategically propel your brand towards sustained success in the competitive digital marketplace. SEO, or Search Engine Optimization. Embarking on the journey into the realm of search engine optimization invites us to explore the nuanced intersection of art and science that underpins the elevation of website rankings on search engines. Today, let us delve deep into the intricacies of SEO, unraveling the threads of on-page and off-page optimization, navigating the landscape of keyword research, and mastering the delicate dance of staying ahead of ever-evolving algorithm updates. SEO stands as the cornerstone of digital marketing, wielding the power to shape the online visibility and prominence of businesses and brands. It transcends the mere technicalities of optimizing web pages. It is about understanding the psyche of search engines and strategically positioning your content to align with user intent. On-page optimization, fundamental aspect of SEO, involves fine-tuning individual web pages to make them more search engine friendly. We will dissect the anatomy of compelling meta tags, craft engaging content that resonates with both search engines and human audiences, and explore the significance of the seamless user experience. Off-page optimization, on the other hand, extends the influence beyond the boundaries of your website. Link building, social media signals, and influencer collaborations become our tools as we navigate the broader digital ecosystem to enhance the perceived authority and relevance of your online presence. Keyword research, akin to a compass in the vast digital landscape, guides our content strategy. We will explore not only the science of identifying high-impact keywords, but also the art of seamlessly integrating them into your content, ensuring a harmonious blend of relevance and readability. Staying ahead of algorithm updates is a perpetual challenge in the world of SEO. We will equip ourselves with the knowledge and tools necessary to adapt swiftly to the ever-changing algorithms of search engines, ensuring that your strategies remain effective in an environment characterized by continuous evolution. In the digital era or age, SEO isn't merely a technical task, it is a strategic imperative. Agencies specializing in this field play a pivotal role in the digital ecosystem, serving as architects of online visibility and guardians of digital relevance. So, join me in this exploration of SEO, where we will unravel its complexities, demystify its strategies, and empower you to not only boost your website rankings, but to strategically fortify your online presence in an ever-competitive digital landscape. Email marketing. Embarking on the journey into the dynamic world of email marketing beckons us to master the intricate craft of crafting and executing impactful email campaigns. Today, let us delve into the art and science of email marketing, unraveling the layers of segmentation, automation, and the psychological underpinnings that distinguish effective campaigns in the digital landscape. Email marketing stands as a powerful instrument in the digital marketer's toolkit, fostering a direct line of communication with your audience. Beyond the simple act of sending emails, it involves understanding the nuances of recipient segmentation, a strategic approach that tailors content to specific audience segments based on demographics, behaviors, or preferences. Automation, a cornerstone of modern email marketing, transforms campaigns from mere broadcast to dynamic, personalized journeys. We will explore the realm of automated workflows from welcome sequences to drip campaigns, streamlining communication and enhancing engagement across various touchpoints in the customer journey. Beyond the technicalities, successful email marketing hinges on understanding the psychology of your audience. Crafting compelling subject lines, persuasive copy, and visually appealing designs requires a keen awareness of the emotional triggers that prompt actions. We will dissect the elements that make emails not just informative, but resonant and compelling. In an era inundated with digital noise, building and maintaining relationships with your audience is paramount. Email marketing becomes the bridge that connects your brand with individuals on a personal level. Whether nurturing leads or re-engaging existing customers, email campaigns provide a platform to deliver value, share insights, and foster a sense of connection. As we journey through the landscape of email marketing, our goal is not only to educate, but to empower you to wield this potent tool strategically. It is not just about sending emails, it is about crafting messages that resonate, foster engagement, and drive conversions. So, join me in this exploration, where we will demystify the complexities, uncover the strategies, and empower you to master the craft of impactful email marketing in the ever-evolving digital realm. Web development. Learn how to make good-looking and useful websites for businesses. We will explore tools like WordPress and understand how to make websites that work well on all devices. Having a strong online presence often starts with a great website, and that is where web development comes into play. In web development, we use platforms like WordPress, which make it easier to create websites. It is like a canvas where we can quickly turn ideas into real websites for businesses. We also look at how people experience websites. It is not just about how they look, but also about making sure visitors can easily use the site. This is called user experience or UX design. We will see how to organize information on the website and make it easy for people to find what they need. Another important thing is making websites that work well on different devices like computers, tablets, and phones. This is called responsive web development. We will explore ways to ensure that no matter how someone accesses the website, it looks good and works smoothly. The goal is not just to create any website, but to make ones that leave a good impression. A strong online presence often starts with a website that looks good, is easy to use, and works well on all devices. Join me on this journey, and we will make a web development simple and practical for businesses. As you explore these key marketing areas, consider which ones aligns most closely with your interests, skills, and the overall vision for your agency. The next step in your journey will guide you in narrowing down your focus, ensuring that you choose a niche that not only resonates with you, but also positions your agency for long-term success. Stay tuned for more insights and actionable steps in our quest to discover the perfect niche for your digital marketing agency. That's it for today. If this concept resonated with you, then stay tuned for our next video where I will introduce how to strategically choose your focus areas and master your niche in digital marketing. Thank you for watching, and I will see you until the next one.